say, Watty, I hear we're going to be eliminated. No, animated. What on earth is that? Made into a cartoon. Exactly.
Yes, because today is the world premiere of the animated cartoon version of Sherlock Bones. And I'm going to leave it to the expert animators, Paul and Roland from Commanding Images. Now, guys, this is how we remember my two cartoon characters. I've now handed them over to you, and you've developed them. How have you developed them? What have you actually done?
I made some small changes to Sherlock. I put a gap between his teeth.
Yeah.
When I heard the voice, it reminded me of Terry Thomas. And gave him less teeth and one finger. He's only 3 fingers.
Why is that?
It's a tradition in animation. Because you've hundreds of drawings, it's easier to follow through.
Less movement.
Yeah.
So what have we got here?
This is a 3-dimensional model of Sherlock Bones, and it's the same principle as the egg you were doing last week.
Oh, right. That's the first time I've ever seen him from the back, actually. Yeah. And what have we got here?
I do acting drawings, poses of the character before I animate.
Is that so you can get into them, all the different poses? Yeah, so what about the movement itself, Roland?
Well, it's exactly the same technique as a flicker bob.
Oh, and these are easy to make, aren't they? Sort of thing you can make at home, and a couple of flicks and you've got some movement there.
Yeah.
How did that transpose to Bones?
It's the same principle for the animation. I tested out by flicking it.
Okay, let's have a look.
And
fantastic. He moves.
we have some key drawings over here.
Okay.
The animation.
Ah, these are on... What's this, cell?
Yes. Well, this is the background. We've left it clear so you can see exactly what's going on. This is his body.
Now, when you say key drawings, is that one stage after the other?
Yes.
Okay.
Separate leg. We've got to wear gloves in order to protect the acetate.
How many drawings do you reckon you've done altogether?
1,600 to the minute. His leg goes up and shoots down, whacking down the bin pedal and sending Watty flying up into the air.
Fantastic. Do you have any finished artwork?
Yes, we've got background here.
Look at that, a finished cell.
Texture card. The actual body of the background. Bones himself. And just to show you how it's going to shoot, just to show how it's going to shoot onto camera, we've got a framing card here.
And this is how Sherlock Bones is going to look on your telly. The world premiere of the Sherlock Bones animation.
Hello there. My name's,
Bones.
Oh, yes, Sherlock Bones. The world's greatest detective. And this is my trusty friend, What's Up. What's up?
Hello, Bones.
Ah, there you are. So, why am I the world's greatest detective?
Because you keep your eyes and ears open at all times.
Exactly.
Bones, you seem to have slipped on the outer casing of an exotic tropical fruit.
I beg your pardon?
You slipped on a banana skin, Bones. Here's the evidence.
I say, Watty, that's litter. A diabolical crime. Who'd do a thing like that?
You, Bones.
Well, we must do something.
Bin it, Bones, where it belongs.
Exactly. So, yet another incredibly dangerous case solved by the world's greatest detective, Mr. Me.
Paul, Roland, thank you very much indeed. You've certainly given me an heart attack. Brilliant stuff.